Baking soda is a powerful, versatile ingredient that can be used for anything from cleaning to treating skin and health problems. It is usually used for rising dough, but can also treat and prevent numerous diseases and conditions, and whitens clothes. Besides this, people use baking soda as an effective odor absorber and a carpet freshener, as well as an all-surface cleaner. However, baking soda can also be used for aesthetic purpose and can drastically improve your beauty. 1. Fights acne. Baking soda is an effective remedy against acne and pimples. Just prepare a paste with some water and use it directly on the acne to get rid of it. 2. Teeth whitener. To keep your teeth looking pearly white, create your own paste with a teaspoon of baking soda and water. Once a week, rub paste into your teeth. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and then rinse your mouth. 3. Freshens the breath. If you're suffering from bad breath, you know that those mint drops do nothing. They only hide the underlying problem of halitosis. But baking soda can eliminate bad breath effectively and quickly. Put a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and mix until it dissolves. Then gargle the solution to disinfect your throat and oral cavity and eliminate the bacteria. Repeat the process every other day for best results. 4. Feet soother. Create your own foot bath with a tablespoon of baking soda and warm water. The baking soda will remove bacteria and odors, and it will help to prevent toenail fungus. 5. Keeps the hair healthy and clean. The shampoos and conditioners we use are not as good as advertised. They usually contain chemicals that can harm the scalp and the hair as well. However, using baking soda as a conditioner will keep your hair and scalp healthy and clean. Just make sure to use it only once a month, as pH levels of baking soda are high. 6. Relieves body odor. Fill your bathtub with water and add a small cup of baking soda. Then soak yourself in the mixture to neutralize the bacteria and acids on your body that cause unpleasant body odor and relieve oily skin. Repeat the process once or twice a week to make your skin smooth and soft. 7. Keeps your nails clean. Mix 3 parts of baking soda with 1 part of water to prepare a paste that can be applied on your nails. Rinse afterwards and your nails and cuticles will be healthier than ever. 8. Eliminates sweating. Baking soda can be used to make a natural DIY deodorant. Just add a few drops of your favorite essential oil in 4 tablespoons of baking soda and apply the mixture on your underarm to kill the bacteria that's causing odor. This natural deodorant will keep you fresh for hours and can be safely reapplied when needed. 9. Face exfoliator. Remove dry skin from your face by creating your own baking soda exfoliant. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a half cup of water and rub it on your face in a circular motion. Then rinse.